Also run this is the gas pump from Fortnite. So pew, pew. And we have the streamlines going from left to right. This is the direction of the flow. And we have the streamlines colored from 0 to 20 meters per second. And immediately we can see that there's streamlines being funneled around this top bit and the rest of the gas pump, and they accelerate there as you'd expect. As we rotate around, we can see just how bad this gas pump is in terms of aerodynamics. So you have flow coming around the shoulder of it, it goes down and whips back up, and then it comes even to the side here. So it's not a very aerodynamic shape at all. Look how far away it goes from the actual pump itself as well. Now we have a plane going through from left to right of the pump, and the flow is going from left to right on the screen. It goes from 0 to 20 meters per second. As we play, no surprise, there's a massive wake. So right here is probably about the biggest that it is. And look how low velocity that region is. Around the bottom and the top, you get a bit of flow acceleration as you'd expect. And at the front, all the streamlines hitting it, decelerate, and yeah, it's not a very good shape. So make sure to like and subscribe this. Check out everything we do here at Aerodynamics. Check out the courses we put on. Check out the conferences we put on.